Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking by me, Priya. Today I'll be making a recipe called egg roast. There are various recipes to make the egg roast. Today I'll be showing you my style of egg roast. Let's get cooking. Firstly, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Now the oil is heated up. To this I'm going to add some turmeric. I'm going to add some salt. Next to this, I've boiled some egg. I'm just going to fry this in some oil. Fry this for about 2 minutes until it's slightly brown. Now after 2 minutes, the eggs have turned this color. Now I'm just going to put them aside. Now to the same oil, I'm going to add about 4 green chilies, finely chopped ginger and garlic. After about a minute, I'm just adding a few curry leaves. Next to this, I'm adding finely chopped onions. I'm going to saute the onions for about 2 minutes until they turn light brown. After 2 minutes, I'm just adding some chili powder. Next, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, cumin powder. Now I'm just going to blend all these masalas together. Next to this, I'm adding tomatoes. I'm just going to let this cook until the tomatoes become a little mushy. Now you can see the tomatoes have become a little mushy. To this, I'm going to add some water. Next, I'm adding some garam masala, a bit more salt, pepper powder, and chili flakes. Just adding a little bit more water. I just let this cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the remaining curry leaves. Now it's time to add in the eggs. Just going to mix gently because we don't want the yellow to separate from the white. Let the eggs cook in the curry for about 5 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes. I'm just going to add some coriander leaves on top. Now I'm just going to mix this gently. Now it's ready to be plated up. There we go, my very own style of egg roast. If you've liked the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Homestyle Cooking. Please try the recipe and leave your comments below. Until next time, this is Priya signing off.